It's not just about protective styling. Your protective hairstyles will not grow your natural hair if you do not follow these tips I'm about to share with you guys. Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time clicking on any of my videos, then you're super welcome. My name is Amarachi Otelia, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys the right way to actually use protective hairstyles to actually get that long and luscious hair that you want. It's not just about protective styling. Your protective hairstyles will not grow your natural hair if you do not follow these tips I'm about to share with you guys. So if you're interested in this video, all you have to do now is watch this video to the very end, give me a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to whoever you think needs it, and let's just dive into the main video. So let's start from tip 1. So the first tip for actually using protective hairstyles to grow your natural hair is by keeping that protective hairstyle moisturized. So when you're in a protective style, if your hair is dry, you cannot expect yourself to actually grow that hair, because natural hair thrives when your hair is moisturized. When your hair is dry, it's going to lead you to breakage, and at the end of the day, when you're taking down that protective style, instead of you to actually grow that long hair you want, you will end up having more breakage that you would have normally have. So the first tip I'll tell you guys to actually do when you are making a protective hairstyle is make sure you are moisturizing regularly. So next, for the second tip I'll give you guys is to never skip your routine, even in protective style. So if your routine is washing your hair weekly, moisturizing your hair twice a week, oiling your scalp every single day or twice a week, never skip that routine. Deep conditioners, protein treatments, never skip that routine, even if you're in a protective style, because you skipping that routine, you are skipping exactly what you have been doing to your natural hair. You can't decline your natural hair from that moisture it has been getting, because if you actually want to use protective styles to actually grow your natural hair, then your hair is going to be mostly in protective styles. So you're going to tell me, if you're going to carry protective styles for over 2 months or a month, you are not going to do anything to your natural hair at that point, well, that is just going to lead you to another breakage. So all you have to do is just continue doing your normal weekly, monthly routine on your natural hair. Now, for the third tip I have here for you guys is to leave your protective styles in for over a month. Now, if you carry your protective styles for 2 weeks, that's fine, but the lowest time I'd ask you to carry your protective styles is 3 weeks. Carrying your protective styles for 3 weeks and over 3 weeks is much more advisable, because then you'll be able to actually gain more length and be able to retain more length. Okay, so do not carry your protective styles for only a week and expect yourself to actually grow your natural hair. Okay, it is not going to grow your hair, because there is literally the growth you're going to see in about a week is just going to be little. It's just going to be very tiny. Okay, you're not going to see much growth like you would have seen in about a month. So that's why I'll literally advise you to carry your protective styles for over 3 weeks, for 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, as long as it can go, but don't carry it for less than 3 weeks. That is the most advisable thing if you actually want to use protective style to actually grow your natural hair. Now, if you have been making protective styles and you're wondering the reason why it is not growing your natural hair, then it's because you have been neglecting every single thing I just listed here. So if you actually want to grow your natural hair using protective styles, then all you have to do is follow these tips. So that is all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. That is all, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.